How to use the TrueTalk mobile app. Upon your first login, you'll receive a brief walkthrough of the key features. The first menu item, in the bottom, contains your call logs. This is the call log for your direct calls. You can filter the list and see only unanswered calls. For example, the tab Queue Calls reveals all the ingoing calls to the queues you are a member of. Unanswered calls are automatically flagged with follow-up state, but you can change it manually as well. When you click the top bar next to your profile picture and initials, where it says Available, you'll be able to create an absence by choosing the reason, like busy. Set an end time for your absence. And finish by choosing where to forward your calls to. Now, all your colleagues can see that you are unavailable. And you can rest assured that your calls will be handled while you're away. Under the second menu item, you can search for colleagues in your company directory. If you click the colleague, you will see her details and current present status. Besides colleagues, it's also possible to look up departments and queues, aka answer groups. You can even search for your own contacts, if you choose to share them with the app, and directly in the public directory service. When you're in an active call, you can transfer it to a colleague or queue. The app will automatically be on the search page when in an active call. Look up the colleague. Click the relevant search result and hit Transfer. The call will now be transferred to the colleague. Quickly log in or out of all your queues at once with the button at the very top. Activate alternative display number and choose from a list of available numbers. On the bottom half, you can see your queues and log in or out of them individually. Click on the name of a queue and see the current details for the queue. Scroll down to see the membership status of your colleagues on the queue. You can even log your colleagues in or out of the queue using the toggle switch to the right of their name. But beware, your colleagues will be informed about it on a text message. If you click the gear icon, you can set up when to be notified. Set up a simple work schedule and you'll be reminded when to log in and out. You can also receive a notification for when the queue reaches a specific threshold. Finally, you can choose how the queue calls should find their way to you. In the menu, bottom right, you'll find additional settings and information. Under Settings, you'll find your call profile. choose between your numbers and what order they should ring. Under Forwarding, you'll find your default call forward settings. For example, you can set where the calls will be forwarded to when you're busy. See Who's Calling enriches otherwise unknown numbers with data from the public directory service. Here you can see how to set it up on your phone. Thanks for watching.